Southeast Asian COP, conserving and protecting our world soils. I would like to thank my co-founders, our volunteers, the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines through their Wisely Unified event for their generous support, and without them, this convention would simply not have been possible. We want to congratulate the Young Southeast Asia Leaders Initiative, Wisely, for their valuable leadership for the past 7 years and for their initiative to mobilize civic engagement, sustainable development, and quality education in Southeast Asia, especially the youth. To start this year has been an unprecedented setting of this worldwide pandemic. We examine the ways the COVID-19 and our response to it has and will continue the way we all live for the foreseeable future. As the saying goes, may you live in an interesting time. However, for us youth, it has been an understatement this year. And just as climate change has unleashed the strongest typhoon of 2020 in my country, the Philippines, which caused severe flooding, the thunderstorm of populism, and ecological imbalance, have written environmental milestone across the world. First, the MV Makwasho, a ship aground in a reef in the southern part of Mauritius on July 25, 2020. The ship was carrying 4,000 tons of fuel oil, of which more than 1,000 tons had already leaked in our ocean. The recent oil spill in Mauritius could devastate its coral reef and marine life. So what can we do as a youth in order to protect our biodiversity? Second, on the evening of August 4th, at Beirut, Lebanon's port, a powerful explosion had sent a huge orange fireball into the sky, followed by a massive shock wave. This explosion killed at least 220 people, injured more than 5,000, and left an unestimated 3,000 people homeless. And you know what it caused? It was caused by 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, a chemical compound commonly used as an agricultural fertilizer, which has been stored for 6 years at a port warehouse. These are just of hazardous waste, misnutrition, our stability